Well, it's, wait. I just dropped that. Okay, it's what? August, I can't even see. August 5, 1845. I've had supper, watched the news, and now I'm back to this here, which is a, I just turned the volume down. See, I just dropped the thing on the ground. Okay, let's get it. Okay. So this is a Sanyo V9, which I just finished putting it all back together. Let me put this back up here. I got tools everywhere. Didn't do any soldering, but they're soldering tools. Just soldering on something else. But anyway, so here's this. It's playing the tape, which we can do like that. And the radio works, but hard to tune, and really can't see the stereo light. And this does have Dolby. You hit the little Dolby button there, and that lights up. Wait, let me put it back on tape. And then, of course, this has a fancy little music search. You hit that once or twice, and you hit that, and you just watch it go back, and you watch the little thing jump from. Yeah, I hit it for 2 songs, so it only has a 3-song deal on it. And there we go. Now, there's dropouts in the music because this tape has been eaten so many times. See, there's one. But that's full blast. And then all the bass. Now this would sound a lot better if I had the back on, which I haven't gotten around to doing just yet, but that's next to be done. So there it is. See. So it takes 3 belts, and that's what it looks like on the inside for those of you that never taken one apart. I've taken this thing apart. I'll make a video about all the pictures I've taken of it. It even has a tape counter. Here's the tape counter. It's right there. It's hard to see. That was the last thing I was trying to repair was that. So it's rolling along ever so slowly. Okay. I don't want to waste too much of your time, but I got to put the back on and cover. Where's the back? There's the back. Put the back on. Alright. Good day. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. I did. Bye-bye.